Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting the cell containing the string you need. Once done, decide how many characters to pull from the end. That number can be a fixed integer or a reference to another cell you calculate. Now enter the formula equals write text numchars into the destination cell, replacing text with a cell reference or quoted string and numchars with your number or cell. This immediate step initiates extraction and sets up any dependent cells for the rest of the process. Next, make write robust by calculating numchars dynamically. For example, use len, cell find, cell to extract after a delimiter, combine with trim to remove extra spaces, and substitute to remove unwanted characters before extraction. Once you compose the formula, drag it down or copy across. To preserve references, lock them using $signs. You do this because raw numbers break when structure changes. Dynamic calculation keeps results correct as source text varies across rows and sheets. To finish, convert formulas to values if you need static results for sharing or further processing. Copy and paste special values. Test edge cases. Empty cells, strings shorter than your requested characters, or missing delimiters are common issues. If write returns unexpected output, first check len on the source to confirm length and inspect for hidden spaces using trim or clean. If problems persist, reduce numchars temporarily or show intermediate helper columns so you can pinpoint where extraction misaligns with expectations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.